So Sandalwood Village is a 55 plus active independent rental community here in North Naples. We have 1 and 2 bedroom apartment homes available. We have tons of activities to do throughout the month. Of course, it's maintenance free and covered parking is always a plus. So even though we're a completely active and independent community here at Sandalwood Village, we offer transportation to our residents that do not have a vehicle. So that means weekly doctor's runs, grocery runs, restaurant runs. We even go to the casino. We also offer great amenities in our clubhouse like swimming pool, salon, as well as exercise room. We also have weekly breakfast included with your rent and dinner options. So something that sets our community apart from others is we are a truly active, independent community here. A lot of folks come here because they say they love our atmosphere compared to other communities. We don't have any kind of nursing or healthcare here, so we really have an active bunch. But you can age in place here because we do work with home healthcare agencies in the area, so you can do so.